list is a food processor. You're going to want to look for a high quality food processor. I've had this Kitchenaid food processor for almost 15 years and it still works great. So if you can invest in a high quality food processor, I would definitely recommend it, especially because high quality ones are made that very easy to clean and can have a really good motor in them. I use this food processor to process dough for my unleavened bread. I also use it to grind up nuts and seeds. I also make hummus with this, and I use the shredding blade to shred cabbage and carrots and onions and all kinds of things. So this type of appliance will save you a lot of time with kneading dough or chopping items or shredding items. And some recipes you can't even make without one. So I would definitely recommend adding a good quality food processor to your shopping list. Okay, so let's just pulse that real quick to mix it around. Okay. Now while that's going, I'm going to add my water. Okay, I'm going to set a timer for 1 minute, and it's going to knead the dough in the food processor for 1 minute. Okay, that was about 1 minute in the food processor. So the blade in the food processor is actually going to help cut up some of the whole grain fiber that's still on the kernels of the wheat flour in here. A lot of times people don't want to use whole wheat flour because it's just really kind of a tougher texture than white flour. White flour is just whole the wheat kernel with the outside removed, and then it's just the inside kernel for the white flour. But I like to use whole grain flour because you're still getting all the nutrition that's in the outside of the kernel. But that is the tougher part. So if you use a food processor, it has a blade in here, and that blade actually kind of cuts up that kernel even more, so it makes a really nice tender dough.